What are we doing?
We're adding a new member to the family today. We are, I don't know what city are we going to. I don't even know, to be honest.
Evergreen.
We're going to Evergreen, Alabama today. Yee yee. Going into Bama. We are going to get a new dog today. Are you excited?
I think the question is, are you excited? Duh, I'm excited.
Yes, yeah, I'm excited. I don't seem as excited as I should be, and I'm not a very, you know, I guess I am an exciting person, I guess. It's still early in the morning. I'm not awake yet. It's 9 o'clock. We got, what, 3 hours to go?
No.
2 hours? Something like that. I'm not going to bore you guys with the drive. I'll see you guys when we get there or when something exciting happens. But you guys need to stay tuned. There's something awesome coming at the end of this video, so make sure you guys watch all the way through. I will see you guys when we get to Alabama.
A few moments later.
So we did a thing, and we now own a wolf. Hi.
Thanks. Cookie. No, he's not thirsty. Okay.
It's kind of hot right now. We'll explain more when we get back home, but he likes the air.
I have the rear control.
There's a vent right above his head and he likes the air out of it.
Oh, he's loving it.
All right, let's get you home. I'm not sure how this happened, but how the hell did you get in the very back? Hey.
But when?
I literally, I was not
We looked down for 2 seconds.
I've been watching the road, and then we kind of both looked back and we're just like, what the hell happened? He's in the back now.
Here, buddy.
Excuse me, sir.
You want a cookie?
He's just looking out the back. He's looking out the back.
You want a cookie? I have cookies.
You doing good? You all right back there? All right, cool. For any of y'all that played Midnight Club 3 Dub Edition, y'all know this song. If you don't, then you're too young and you're probably born after 2000 and we can't be friends anymore, but got the gang! And cute girl over there, she's hiding.
No, you need to record. First of all,
He's been in the house. He's been in the house for what? 5 minutes?
he pees on the tree.
He peed on the Christmas tree.
Then comes in the kitchen and says a woo.
Let me hear it. Let me hear you. Hey,
See Bentley's favorite ball.
this is everybody. This is Saint. Hello. He likes Bentley right now.
House is the best.
Oh! Make her stop at home.
Get him. Get him. Come here, Saint. Come here. Come here.
This way.
Playing with Bentley. Oh. Oh. My boy's got some vocals on him. Bentley's not the big man on campus anymore. Don't lick his butt.
Hey. Good boy. Speak. Good boy. Speak. Give me 5. Good boy. Speak. Good boy.
Well, you guys couldn't tell, there is a, wow, okay. New member to the family. Hello, hi. Hi. Hello, big boy. This is Saint or Saint Laurent Don. Oh, hello, okay.
He's excited.
He is. He's our little boy. This is a husky. I'm sure you guys know what a husky looks like, but he's pretty.
Sainty! Speak. Let him go. What was that?
Newest member, that was him.
Oh.
Newest member to the family, say
Speak.
hello.
Bentley, speak. Tell him what's up. Speak. Speak.
It's okay, come here, come here. Here, we're gonna say hi, we're gonna say hi.
All right. Don't bite him. No. Don't bite him. That's his butthole.
Put him
His
down.
butthole. Saint likes pina coladas and
Don't say that.
getting caught in the rain. It's a song. It's a song. You never heard the song? Saint likes the expensive things in life, and he likes to go on car rides. Apparently, he was very well behaved in the car today in the Tahoe. Tahoe did really well. I hope you guys, for those of you that watch all the way to the end of this video, we're gonna start doing a lot more to the Tahoe. I'm kind of getting bored with my truck at the moment, so the Tahoe is gonna become a bigger face on the channel, which it should have been so far. So we're gonna start working on that. We're gonna get the fog lights wired up, get the wheel lights put on. Most of you probably don't know we got wheel lights for the Tahoe that we just haven't put on yet. So we're gonna work on getting that put on, and yeah, just trying to keep getting the bread, keep the bread going. As you can tell, I've got a lot to handle at the house now, and it's we got a truck meet to go to tonight, which will come out tomorrow. So I hope you guys enjoy the new content. We got a new dog on the channel. Awesome. Not that we don't love the other dogs, but she wanted another dog, so we got another dog. What do they say? Happy wife, happy life. So I will see you guys tomorrow. I'm going to a truck meet tonight. Stay tuned for that video. I will see you guys later. As always, let's get this bread.
That's what I'm talking about.